Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and today's video we will be doing some crochet hair. Big thank you to EAYONHAIR for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I am working with their 20-inch natural color body wave crochet hair, and I have 3 packs of this hair. Each pack comes with 2 bundles. So if you want to be technical, I have about 6 bundles of this hair. I will have everything down in the description box as far as different textures, the link, the number of crochet pieces that come in the pack. Everything you need will be down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So as you guys know, if you're not new here, I have been experimenting with crochet hair for like the past few months. This time I am installing this with straight back braids, as you can see, and I really do prefer this method, and I'm going to show you why. So I picked up a few tips and tricks. I will have the videos in which I use inspo from linked in the description box, but I found a new way to install these crochet pieces for a more seamless look. So I love the way this look came out. I'm starting with taking a piece and I'm pulling it through the front of my braid. That's why the straight backs came in handy and is a much better foundation for this type of style, because I'm able to give it that seamless look by pulling my first piece through the front of the hair. That way when I flip it over, it gives more of a seamless hairline. Okay, so I used just about most of this hair. This is a very full install, and I did style it towards the ends of the video. What I love about this hair is it's human hair. You can create so many different crochet looks, and if you want to do crochet on a budget, you can absolutely use any type of hair. I'm talking synthetic hair, pack hair, anything you want. But when you use this Eayon hair, which is 100% human hair, you can color this hair, because remember, it comes in a natural color, but if you want to color it jet black, you can do that. If you want to bleach the ends for an ombre look, you can do that too. And when you're done with this, if you want to use these pieces for some boho braids, you could do that too. So that's why I highly suggest using a good quality hair, because you can reuse this hair to do so many different styles. So for the most part, this is a repetitive tutorial. I will be showing you time and time again how I pull my first piece through the front braid and just crochet the rest of the pieces going back. So in order to get the crochet hair through your braid, you take the hook while the needle is closed and you push it through your braid. Then you open it up, you put that piece of the link into the hook, you close the latch, and then you slip it back through. Now, as far as security, I only tie this once. You can tie it however many times you want, but the reason I tie it once is because when it comes time to take this style down, I do not want to get frustrated, because one thing about me, I'm going to pop it out. If I get frustrated, I'm going to tug this, okay? And I don't want to do that. I'm really trying to focus on a healthy hair journey. We will get into that in another video, but I definitely use the one tie method for an easy takedown. I just continuously pull the hair through and tie it once. That is how I secure it. And then I'm going to style this hair at the very end. I really do like this pattern because it's a looser wave. The crochet curly looks, don't get me wrong, those are gorgeous. And what I really want to try is a kinky straight look. So there's quite a few different things you can do with crochet hair. The styles are endless, and I will show you a few different styles at the very end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Remember, EAYONHAIR has quite a few different textures, lengths, and colors when it comes to crochet hair. I've also done a ton of different styles with their braiding hair. So if you're someone that's into more natural protective styles like braids, crochet, clip-ins, faux locks, that type of thing, definitely check out EAYONHAIR, because they have everything you can imagine. Once again, all links are down in the description box. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps my channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, you liking it lets me know that you want to see that. So until next time, I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.